Okay, so the first step after you have created an application is to generate the signed Android app bundle. So after we published our first version to internal testing, we hit a wall. The app worked perfectly when run from Android Studio, but the version downloaded from the Play Store couldn't log in. The logs showed this critical error unauthenticated. Our secure cloud functions were rejecting every call from the live application, completely breaking our payment and subscription system. This is one of the most common and confusing issues for new developers. So, what was happening? Think of it like a security checkpoint. Firebase is the venue, and your application is a guest trying to get it. To be trusted, your application must present a special ID card called the SHA1 fingerprint. When you run the application from Android Studio, it uses a generic auto generated debug key. We had already added this key's fingerprint to our Firebase project's guest list. However, when we created a signed app for the Play Store, it uses a completely different, highly secure release key. We had never told Firebase about this new official ID, so when the application showed up, Firebase didn't recognize its ID, rejected it as an imposter, and threw the unauthenticated error. To fix this, it's simply to add both ID cards to the guest list of the Firebase. First, you go to the app integrity section of Google Play console to find the official SHA1 fingerprint for your release key. Then you go to the Firebase project settings, scroll down to your application, and click Add Fingerprint to add this new official key. Once both the debug and release keys are registered, Firebase will trust your application no matter where it is running from.